Welcome to our channel, and before we continue, hit that like button and subscribe to our channel, The Remote Job Hub. Next site we are having here is www.guru.com. Guru.com actually is offering jobs for freelancing. We can see that we have program development jobs. We have various other jobs like writing and translation, art design, administrative and secretarial, sales and marketing, engineering and architecture, administrative and secretarial, business and finance, education, training. So many jobs which are here. You can see they are saying that they have paid $1 million paid invoices, 250 million paid freelancers. You can find people working on all these particular jobs. And also we have actually a section whereby they are telling us of the jobs that they have posted. If you also want to hire, this is also a very good site of hiring freelancers. Finding a job, you find a job on this particular platform, that is good. You can see the much they are actually paying. Updates to WordPress website needed. You'll be paid under fixed price, and you must pay under charge under $250. Developing an automated trading solution. We have interface developer for web-based app. As you can see, this is a place where there are so many opportunities for you, so many which are open, and all you just need to do is register in this platform, sign up, and then log in and be able to actually get the jobs that you need. If you're also providing jobs, you can post a job here, because there are those work that you're doing online which require also an expertise or somebody to assist you complete that particular task faster and be able to beat the deadline, so that you don't inconvenience the client and also you don't lose that particular job for having delayed on it. Another beautiful platform that you're looking at is dailytranscription.com. Dailytranscription.com is a platform that will give you a good opportunity to work in different areas. The services they offer is actually captures a very wide clientele. And you can see the services that they offer. They have academic and market research, as broadcast scripts, audio descriptions, audio transcription services, closed captioning, continuity list, corporate transcription services, dialogue list, and so forth. The list is endless. Now, to join and work with dailytranscription.com, you come here and click on this section, become a freelancer. Let us see what they give the careers opportunity when you become. Are you interested in transcription career? Are you new in transcribing? You click start here. We are excited that you have an interest in one of our openings. Daily Transcription provides services to entertain corporate and legal industries and academic institutions. Benefit of working with Daily Transcription: flexibility. Create your own schedule, work where and whenever you want. Assignments are always paid weekly, whereas most competitors pay bi-weekly, monthly, or only once clients pay them. We pay higher rates than our competitors, and they actually give you examples of their competitors. We have Transcribely, Transcription, Papi, Scribie, and many more. Receive training, feedback, and coaching. Collaborate with the like-minded others and learn from the best. Spend more time with family where you earn extra income from your household. We do not guarantee a specific amount of work per day or per week, but our top transcription list can make anywhere from $350 to $1,250 per week. So the opportunities which are there are transcriptionist, captioner, Spanish transcriptionist. Who are we looking to hire? This is where you need to actually get to see, and I believe you are cut for this particular job. Work from home individuals, stay home mothers, fathers, students, part-time teachers, writers, academic, or anyone who wants to supplement their income. You must be a highly detailed individual who is committed to perfection, must be able to meet strict deadlines. Professional, novices, and beginners are all welcome to apply. How to get started? You read and you get to know how you get started and work with daily transcriptions. They have checked the list of frequently asked questions below for additional question, and they have actually that list. So all you need is to sign up, create an account with them, and you are good to go, because they have even told you that they offer training. So it's up to you to decide, are you ready to work? And I believe when you are here in dailytranscription.com, you're going to make good cash. The other site you're looking at is Remote Rebellion. Want to know how you will get a remote job easier and faster with us? Take a look at the explainer video below to see how. So they have actually created a video which explains to you how actually you will be able to benefit from working with them, and how you get to Remote Job Academy without a lot of BS. Then you go to see remote jobs which are there, the available jobs which are on remoterebellion.com. The latest top remote jobs: remote from anywhere, top pick, that is database reliability engineer. And you see HRS and benefit manager, varsity tutors, accountant executive. We have customer support, product design, we have business intelligence engineer, we have cloud infrastructure engineer, institutional sales representative. So many jobs which are actually being offered by this remote rebellion.com. And you can see the remoterebellion.com goes ahead and even gives you a benefit in the resources that they are having. How to get a remote job, free guide. So this is a free guide on how you're supposed to do. You enter your name, your last name, and your email. You subscribe, and you'll be given updates on various job opportunities that are available in the remoterebellion.com. They even have success stories from people who have worked in this particular platform, or they have obtained job from this particular platform. So it's a very good platform which will help you gain that extra coin as you work on